Hello everyone, today we are going to unveil Aetina's new series of products, MegaEdge. MegaEdge is a group of IPC-grade products that could be used for Edge AI application as AI inference machine. Compared to Edge devices, MegaEdge has stronger computing capabilities and can provide wide-ranging management and deployment. Now, we are going to introduce you the first product of this series, AIP-FH31-A1. It is a fanless embedded computer integrated with an expansion kit which is flexible for customers to install graphics card based on their requirements and mainly designed to increase production efficiency and more powerful image processing application, including machine learning, machine vision, object recognition, surveillance in factory, logistics, and medical industries. The expansion kit includes one PCIe by 16 Gen 3 and one PCIe by 1 Gen 3 connector to support discrete GFX core up to 250 watt. Moreover, Aetina provides several kinds of graphic cards. Later, I will take one of our graphic cards, N3090-ASFX, to install on the system. With the excellent performance of this graphics card, AIP-FH31-A1 upgrades to higher computing power and is available to work better on AI inference as well as to be deployed in diversified Edge AI application scenarios. N3090-ASFX is a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card. It is the highest performance graphics card among GeForce series, and it is a big ferocious GPU with Titan-class performance. It is powered by an Ampere, NVIDIA's second-generation RTX architecture, with enhanced ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and new streaming multiprocessors. Here is the AIP-FH31-A1. Let me show you the front I/O from left. There are one DP, one VGA, one DVI-D, one 3-pin terminal block, 4 COM ports, 4 LAN ports, 4 USB 3, and 4 USB 2. As for the expansion kit, just like I mentioned before, it supports one PCIe by 16 Gen 3 and one PCIe by 1 Gen 3. Finally, our graphics card, N3090-ASFX. Its I/O is much simpler. There are only 3 DP and 1 HDMI, but this is a powerful graphics card. It contains 10,496 CUDA cores, and the boost clock runs 1.7 GHz. Its memory size is 24 GB, and the memory type is GDDR6X. For the next part, I'm going to show you how to install N3090-ASFX on AIP-FH31-A1. Let's start. So, thank you for joining us today. If you would like to know more about MegaEdge and AIP-FH31-A1, also our N3090-ASFX, please look into Aetina Embedded World booth to get matchmaking meeting with us, or visit our website www.aetina.com and scan the QR code to send us the online inquiry. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day. Ciao!